and welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 2e minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5, and expressing our solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started with the solution process. Step 1. The inequality we need to solve is 2e minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. Our goal is to isolate the variable e on one side of the inequality. Let's start by eliminating the constant term on the left side of the inequality, which is minus 3. To do this, we need to add 3 to both sides of the inequality. This way, we keep the equation balanced. So add 3 to both sides of 2e minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. 2e minus 3 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5 plus 3. Simplifying both sides, the 3 and minus 3 cancel each other out on the left side, leaving us with 2e on the left side. On the right side, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So our new inequality is 2e is greater than or equal to 8. In interval notation, this would look like e is in the interval from 4 to positive infinity. We will stop here for now and move on to the next step in a moment. Step 2. The current inequality we have is 2e is greater than or equal to 8. Our goal remains to isolate the variable e on one side of the inequality. To achieve this, we need to eliminate the coefficient of 2 that is multiplied by e on the left side of the inequality. To do that, we divide both sides of the inequality by 2. This division must be done carefully to maintain the balance of the inequality. So, we divide both sides of 2e is greater than or equal to 8 by 2. On the left side, 2e divided by 2 simplifies to e. On the right side, 8 divided by 2 simplifies to 4. Therefore, our new and simplified inequality is e is greater than or equal to 4. In interval notation, this solution is represented as e is in the interval from 4 to positive infinity. This step is the final step, and we have fully solved the inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.